Our today's subject is Play Do Learn, and our topic today is games and competitions. In this lesson, we are going to learn about regional and traditional games. Regional games are games held within a specific region, and traditional games are games that people have played for many years. So let us learn few regional and traditional games. Our first game is rolling the tire. As you can see in the picture, the children are rolling the tires along the ground. Our next game is Lagori. Lagori involves a ball and a pile of flat stones. It is usually played between two teams. Jumping in and jumping out. It is also called as Tayat Marat. In this game, children jump in and out of the circle as per the instructions given. And our next game is Blind Man Buff. To play this game, we need to blindfold a player. Now children, we will be learning different kinds of games and competitions. Our first type of game is flexibility games. Games that increase flexibility in our body. Our first game is forming a V shape of your legs and bending to pick up an object kept in front of you. In this picture, children, the boy is sitting down with a V shape between his legs and he will be bending to pick up an object kept in front of him. Passing the ball. In this, as shown in the picture, the girls are standing in the opposite direction and passing the ball. This game also increases flexibility in our body. Our next type is games for body coordination. That is, games that requires body coordination. Throwing and catching the ball. As you can see in this picture, children, the boy is throwing and catching the ball. So he is coordinating his eyes, hands and legs to throw and catch a ball. Our next type of games is running games. Running games, that means games that involves running. Our first game is running race. And the next game is three-legged race. Three-leg race involves pairs of participants. As you can see in the picture, children's left leg of one participant and right leg of another participant is tied to run the race. Our next type is strength of limbs. That means games that strengthen our limbs. Tug of war. That is also called as Rassi Kheech. In this game, there are two teams and they pull the rope to win the race. So this game strengthens our limbs, that is arms. Pushing each other. Pushing each other is another game that strengthens our limbs. Our next type is muscle strength. Games that develops muscles strength. Shoulder war. In this game, children use their shoulders to push each other, thus strengthening their muscles. And the next game is lifting the partner on the back, that is Sakriche Pot. As you can see in the picture, the boy is lifting another boy and thus making his muscles even more stronger. So children, I hope you all have understood different types of games and competitions and also regional and traditional games. Thank you.